Welcome back to My Luxury Cars, where luxury meets innovation on wheels. If you're passionate about the latest in cutting-edge vehicles, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all things luxury and automotive. Imagine a vehicle that combines the freedom of cycling, the convenience of electric power, and the adventure of camping all in one sleek design. Introducing the 2025 electric camper Tricycle, a revolutionary step forward for eco-conscious adventurers. Today, we're diving deep into everything that makes this electric camper Tricycle a game-changer for modern travel. The 2025 electric camper Tricycle is designed for those who crave adventure but also value sustainability and simplicity. It's a unique fusion of an electric tricycle and a compact camper, offering a new way to explore the great outdoors without compromising on comfort or the environment. Starting with the design, this camper Tricycle is all about sleek functionality. It features a lightweight yet durable frame, crafted from eco-friendly materials that ensure strength and stability while keeping the vehicle efficient. The aerodynamic shape isn't just for looks, it enhances battery performance and improves handling, making it perfect for both city streets and rugged country paths. Now, let's talk about the electric powertrain. The 2025 model is equipped with an advanced lithium-ion battery pack, offering a range of up to 100 miles on a single charge. Whether you're cruising through scenic routes or navigating urban landscapes, this tricycle has the endurance to take you there. Plus, the battery supports fast charging, so you can get back on the road with minimal downtime. But it's not just about the journey, it's also about the destination. The camper section of this tricycle is ingeniously designed to maximize space and comfort. It unfolds into a cozy sleeping area, comfortably accommodating one or two people. There's integrated storage for your gear, a foldable table for meals, and even a compact kitchenette with essential amenities. It's the perfect setup for spontaneous road trips and weekend escapes. One standout feature is its solar integration. The roof is fitted with high-efficiency solar panels, allowing you to extend your trips without worrying about finding charging stations. The solar setup helps keep your devices powered and adds an extra layer of eco-friendliness to your adventure. Safety is another priority in this futuristic trike. It comes with advanced features like anti-lock braking systems, LED lighting for nighttime visibility, and a digital dashboard that provides real-time data about speed, battery levels, and navigation. There's even a GPS tracker for added security, ensuring peace of mind when you park it at a campsite. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The seating is ergonomically designed, with adjustable settings to suit riders of all sizes. The suspension system absorbs shocks effectively, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride, even on bumpy terrains. Another highlight is its adaptability. The modular design allows you to customize the camper section based on your needs. Whether you want more storage, a larger sleeping space, or even extra features like a portable shower, there are options to make it truly yours. But who is this electric camper Tricycle for? It's perfect for solo travelers, couples, or even digital nomads looking for a sustainable way to explore. It's also a great option for city dwellers who want an easy way to escape to nature without dealing with the complexities of traditional RVs. Now, let's consider the environmental impact. Unlike gas-guzzling vehicles, the electric camper Tricycle produces zero emissions, making it a responsible choice for eco-conscious adventurers. The use of sustainable materials and solar technology further reduces its environmental footprint, proving that adventure and sustainability can go hand in hand. Pricing and availability will vary by region, but early reports suggest it's competitively priced within the electric vehicle market. Considering its features and the savings on fuel, it's a solid investment for those committed to sustainable travel. And there you have it, the 2025 electric camper Tricycle, a perfect blend of innovation, sustainability, and adventure. What do you think about this unique ride? Could you see yourself hitting the open road with one of these? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss an update from the world of luxury and innovative vehicles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.